This hose right here, and it's cracked. As you can see, it comes from here, from the upper hose, goes all the way down to the lower hose, lower part of the radiator, sorry. So this is upper hose from the upper part of the engine to the lower part of the radiator. And this plastic hose right here, it cracked. And this happened when I was doing the transmission because my hand rested on it and it cracked. I'm gonna show you how to replace it because so happened is I have an extra one right here in my garage. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you how to replace this. All you're gonna need is a flat screwdriver and a regular pliers. Don't mind my pliers, it's just that's what I have on hand right now behind me. So there's 2 tabs on the side of this clip right here. So go ahead and remove this. This is for the hood stand. And you just push one tab, and this other tab is broken on this side. And then you're gonna go in and you push 2 tabs on the side of the piece, which is 1 and 2. Once you push those 2 tabs, they'll come right off. Then go ahead and remove these 2 clamps. Remove those 2 clamps right there. Very easy, very simple. Pull that out. So to remind you, top one goes to the top, bottom one goes to the bottom. Remove it, put it to the side. Then you're gonna go ahead and you can just install it right away. Bottom hose go to the bottom, top hose go to the top. Install it, you're good to go. Then you're gonna go like this, clamp in, like that. Alright. There we go. Then we're just gonna turn to this side over here by the reservoir. There you go. Now we're just gonna go ahead and just remove this clamp, bring it forward, and then you'll do the slack on it, and then go ahead loosen that up a little bit, just a little tab. Now your hose is out. Now we're gonna reuse this clamp, so we're just gonna go ahead and remove that clamp from there and put it on here just like so. Install it, make sure it goes all the way to the top, to the end. There you go. Then we're just gonna go ahead and squeeze a little bit, bring it closer, boom. And I'm just gonna go ahead and just install this piece back into there. That's good. Then just go ahead and install a hose back in there and a hood chuck holder, and there you go. Now you can go ahead and top your fluids back off and you're straight. Alright, no need to bleed it because what happened is because the top side of the engine or the coolant is right here, so it naturally bleed itself back into the reservoir. As you can see, is the highest point of the engine, so it will naturally bleed itself back into there, so you don't have to worry about that. Hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next one.